Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the download location in your Google Chrome. So once you're inside Chrome, guys, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then click on settings. Now on the left hand side you will see the download, right? You want to click on that, and from here you have some options. Right now the first option here is basically allowing you to change the location, so you want to click on that change button there, and from here you can basically select where you want files to be downloaded. So if you want to change it from downloads folder, you can easily go ahead and change that. Or if you even want to go ahead and create a new folder within the download folder, let's say, you can simply click on this new button right here, and you can call this one, for example, Chrome downloads. I'm just gonna go ahead and just make something up, and once you click on that, you basically create the folder, then you basically ensure that the folder is selected, right? And then click and select, and as you can see, my new location is now changed. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.